Hey guys, welcome back to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a clutch lever on a 2017 R3 Yamaha motorcycle. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is broken and we need this to change gears because this is the clutch lever, and we're going to put a new one from Yamaha on there. So let's get to work. First thing we need to do, let's take off this bar end weight. Next, we have to take off our grip. And to do that, the best way to do that, besides just pulling on it really hard or using WD-40, is compressed air. Let's blow some compressed air in here. Jeez Louise. And she's out. We will unscrew. There's one screw here. It'll loosen up there. It's right there. You can see it. You just twist it and she loosens right out. It doesn't want to come any further because we have to take this plug out underneath here. And you just kind of push down on this tab. Just to show you what I'm pushing on this one here. You kind of push up on it and then you pull the electrical connector out. And that's what's going on under here. So push up and then pull the electrical connector out. Gives us a little bit more room, but still not quite enough. So we're going to have to actually take the clip-on off to get this off. Luckily it's not on there very tight since we had to replace the ignition, and I left it on there pretty loose. So we removed the little cover tap here. It goes on that Allen bolt. There's this bolt here, which you'll unscrew like this. It is a 5mm. Take that off. Okay. There we go. Now we can get this off. And now to take off the part that we're replacing. At least like about a 10mm. So now we gotta loosen this bolt. Oh, I think that's tightening it. This is loosening it. Alright. There we go. Now we need to take out the clutch cable and throw this thing away. And what they broke was this whole mechanism here to adjust the cable. So we have this one here, which looks a lot better, and it's not bent like this one because from them dropping it, it's kind of bent. The full adjustability of this whole thing is really gone. We'll go with the Yamaha part, which is what we want anyway. I'll just twist it over a few clicks to tighten it in there. So see this right, when they're all aligned, it just slips out. So what you want to do is not have it aligned. You want it like that, so it's stuck in there good. And then this twist independently of it. tighten it back up. It's a 10 millimeter socket, tighten it. So it goes about right there. It's pretty tight. And there's a little adjustability if you want it down or up. We're just going to get it on there though right now. This guy goes on. Plug in our cable here. Let's know that when the clutch is pulled in or not. So if you want to start it in gear, you just got to pull in the clutch, and that lets it know when to start. There we go. We'll tighten that bolt up, which is just a Phillips screwdriver. And this is also a kind of adjustable. I guess we'll do it like that. Here's the rest of the cable right here. And we're going to bring it in inside the lever itself. We want to put it inside there. Like, there we go, just like that. Like that, and then like that. Perfect. Now we'll adjust the tension later. Tighten it there. Looks like about as far back as I can take it. Now what we might have to do is adjust it on the other side of the lever too, to get some more tension into it. We're just gonna make that a little longer, and that's as far out as it'll go. But we can adjust it on the other side. And it's on. We'll adjust that later. That's a 6 Allen key that goes here. And this one is a 5 Allen key up top.